just done exporting the video. This is from previous video which you have already seen. Day kind of started in a little bit of a negative note. I just realized this whole stack of my favorite t-shirts, these are all brand new t-shirts. I took all these new t-shirts to Ladakh and this whole stack of t-shirts of almost 7 or 8, put some oil in this bag, drop by drop it dripped. All the t-shirts now have the stain. ऐसे देखे तो पता नहीं चलता, but if you properly put it in light, you can see a small stain over here. But this is not the time to be sad because today is Naisha's second birthday and we have to be nice. We are excited. Welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Let's start the day in a positive note like this. Oh, हमारा export भी हो गया. Let's upload this video. And I already told you guys the plan, right? Once again staycation हो रहा, but this time it is not just me, Pooja and Naisha. We're taking mom, dad, Pooja's mom, dad and brother as well. Almost 7 of us. A small tiny gathering. We're bored of being at home. I keep traveling a lot, but my parents, Pooja's parents, they don't go out much. So we thought we'll take them out for a vacation. Sorry, staycation in this. Chalo, let's get ready and I'll see you guys. Okay, just took a shower. Someone said it's been long since Sriman has done his Sriman Kutaru style में changing clothes and wearing his shoes. So 3, 2, that's it. Just takes a second. Hey, you're not running away from the camera today.
No, I was getting ready to just came.
I just said something. I'll censor that.
I think it worked.
And that's a secret word that we call each other. Can people guess it? Can these people guess it? She called me that many times. I also call her the same thing.
I know what.
Motivate we keep calling each other,
No,
but there is
listen.
another secret name.
Once or twice we will record it. We've recorded.
Once or twice क्या? बहुत बार record
But I
हुआ.
don't know if they realize.
I don't know if you guys realized. If you realized, tell me. Let's see if you people observe me closely or not. You do. I know that. So for the happy birthday, what are we doing? Birthday Pooja says happy birthday. She
Yeah,
doesn't
it's
say it's a birthday. It's a happy birthday.
Yeah, it's cute like that.
It's cute like that. Happy birthday, you're saying? Nice.
Yeah, she
Nice.
knows it's a happy birthday.
Nice to say. Come here, hey. Happy birthday, Nice. Happy birthday.
Hey, very cool. Okay.
That's a new step.
Yeah. Go. Get ready, mom.
Oh shit, I have to remove all these things. The Triumph accessories, the clear outer lights and the old handlebar. Pose marra.
Yo.
I wish you could drive, Ray. I wanted to sit this side, you could drive.
You had to teach me, but then your sister told me Shriman को नहीं आता driving.
Seema ko nahi aata driving.
वो नहीं सिखा सकता she told. Go to drive.
I can't sikao, yes, actually. Teaching girls how to drive is like a big task, especially to this. You know what?
Yeah.
My previous video title was Street Twins Amazing Exhaust. But you know, comments pura tha regarding Naisha only. Happy birthday, Naishu. Happy birthday, Naishu. Happy birthday, Naishu. Thank you guys so much for
I
that.
know. So cute.
Naishu, so many birthday wishes.
Thanks guys.
So many birthday wishes to you.
Someone
No?
messaged me also. Thank
Like
you so
literally
much.
hundreds and hundreds and actually thousands of comments including Instagram. Amazing. No one cares about the street twin. Poor baby.
Because
सबको
she
BMW
alone
चाहिए,
did.
सबको Naisha चाहिए. Content creator को no one is taking care. 4,117 kilometers done in my Kia Seltos, and this is almost I got it in November last year, 2020. That is all fine, but you know, Naisha, on your birthday, look at her, she's listening as if she knows. On your birthday, I got a gift from HDFC Bank. EMI debit हो गया आज Seltos का. It reminded me, Seaman, you have to take the Seltos out. Otherwise, anyways, we're gonna debit your EMI. BMW was like literally just 2 months old, 3 months old abhi tak, and we finished 4,500 kilometers in it.
Very
This is November 2020. अभी तक just 4,117 kilometers
because you know bike
only.
को-
2 months में 4,000 is too much. Obviously, Ladakh हो गया. I want to take the Seltos also once, long drive पे. Will you come?
Yes.
Naisha, it's a problem actually. That is the most important thing you have to take when you're leaving your house. Masks in this generation, like 2020 say started. You're wearing the BMW mask.
Yeah, he
Make
gave
life
it
a
to
right.
me because it's black. I love black and it's nice. I like what it's written.
It's BMW. Should be
I like
nice.
what's written on it.
Where are you going? Okay, staycation with mom, dad, Pooja.
Today it is different because our parents are coming and it's cool.
This is the first time we're
We're
doing
happy.
such a staycation.
Yes. My sister loved the plan. I should have
ఏంటో
also come.
పట్టుకోవాలి ఇది ఇట్స్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ ఐ వ్లాగ్డ్ ఐ ఫర్గాట్ హౌ టు
Dad, why did you stop your cooking channel? Dad, I had to ask you. I forgot to ask.
ఐ యామ్ బిజీ విత్ మై గ్రాండ్ డాటర్
Arre.
మై డాలీ
You
ఆల్వేస్
have so
బిజీ
much time in the
నో
afternoon.
ఆల్వేస్ బిజీ విత్
My
మై
mom will
గ్రాండ్
also
డాటర్
say.
యా టుడే ఇస్ మై గ్రాండ్ డాటర్స్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
Yeah, see, Dad is saying like me. Happy birthday.
Right from morning, she's so excited, you know. Very happy. Mama, very happy. Show.
Show yourself, baby.
So this is the place called Sheraton. This is the second time we're coming here.
Yeah, on my birthday weekend.
On your birthday, exactly, Jan. And people recognize us here. Good.
Yum yum.
You like it? You like it?
Are they open to public?
Wow.
Look at her! Wow! Wow, it's him. Naishu, happy birthday! Naishu, happy birthday, Naishu! Wow! Wow!
She's officially like properly 100% Hamara kid.
Absolutely, she likes flying.
She likes hotels, she likes traveling, she likes bikes, she likes cars, she likes music. And she likes dancing. That is not my quality. Your quality. No, for sometimes you'll forget us.
We don't exist right
We don't
now.
exist for
We
some
don't
time.
exist. Hannah, Naishu?
After sometimes she'll take the phone, go sit on the couch,
Chupchap.
go sit on the bed, aram se, and she'll chill.
Wow.
You do just now.
What?
This is one thing I really hate about YouTube, you know. Especially these people, there are some people who do all the stupid things on YouTube. She watches all the stupid videos, those cartoonish videos, animated videos. She took the pencil, directly she's poking her eye.
Oh my god.
I just saw that and pulled it. This is the reason you need to have YouTube Kids. I'll install that for you. Today's plan is to
We just show the plan, don't say the plan.
basically we're planning to cut a cake. We got a cake. Cake is with the reception.
Coming!
Who is that? Oh, your
My
mom is
parents.
coming.
Come.
That's Pooja's parents.
Because
What's
we
up,
have to
Dad?
cut it.
Hi,
Mom.
Mom.
Just say hi on camera.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. We are celebrating today.
Happy birthday to you. To you. Nice to come.
राजा किची किची दे दो किची किची जो वो बाबाजी करती हो
She's running, mama. जब से पूरे room.
Pooja is showing off.
I'm not showing off. I'm
नहीं
just
नहीं अच्छी
saying,
बात है
mama,
कोई
room.
बात नहीं है हमारी ये ले लो जरा ये देखो
No, she'll get jealous, right? She'll get jealous.
जल्दी आ गए
What is that, Naishu?
Wow, bangles.
I mean, new bangles. Who gave you? Full flaunting.
Auntie. Wow, मेरा बेटा कितना सुंदर लग रहा है मेरा बेबी.
Come here, I'll show you. Come here.
हमने क्या है कढ़ाई को नीचे कर सकते हो लेकिन हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम
So nice, no? So nice. Looking beautiful. Wow.
तारामती बिरादरी भी नहीं है
फिर कुछ और
ये
है.
वो है
Hamara Attama is seeing the room.
Mummy is a history student. है मैं
Oh yeah, she's a history teacher. She was a history teacher.
She was a Hindi teacher and I'm a history teacher. So
हिंदी
mama
in 10th
knows.
class
That was the most boring thing, you know. Class mein, history class mein, I used to sleep.
And
But
you know,
history would write
and
things.
you know, HPS when Adit was in 12th, I was writing all the notes.
All the notes for him.
No, for teacher. So I wrote for Adit, then Adit give it to teacher.
Interesting. Are you good at history?
You know what I was good at?
Dancing, eh?
Red.
Oh no, we'll get memes if I do this.
Oh,
I'll kill you.
Psychology.
green,
Psycho,
very good.
psycho.
This one, say pink.
Oh, she knows all the colors now. This color, this color.
Very good yellow.
Lolo. One quick jugaad we had to do for Naisha to sleep. Actually, I have a small feedback for most of the hotels I go. This one. You see this jugaad? I know it's looking dirty. The reason I had to do this is there's a lot of light coming here. And if you want to sleep in the afternoon or in the evenings, see there's a lot of light here.
Abhi,
How
thank
can-
you.
how
the
can-
coffee is so good. You're so good.
I'm
at
coming there.
making
Wait.
coffee.
You give me a compliment later. Wait. Hold on. I'm talking about the light. I'm talking about the light. How it is. We had to do this jugaad.
We did some jugaad.
Nights mein this is fine, but in the mornings it is.
Hello.
Too much of light, dude. And oh yes, what were you saying about my coffee?
Somebody wants to listen to praise.
It's always nice to listen to someone praising you, especially when you work on it. I made good coffee for you. That's how human nature is.
By the way, मैंने नहीं बोला, तूने ही बोल दिया. Don't record, my husband makes awesome coffee.
Hey, look who's here. This guy was missing. The hero. Naishu, mama.
Come Naishu.
Mama.
Come Naishu. Happy birthday, Naishu.
Look who's ready. The birthday girl. Oh, Naishu, looking cool. But this is not the way you sit. Get up. Ek pose maro. Utho. Abba. Okay, put the phone aside, Naishu. Naishu, put the phone aside. Very good. Oh, you're posing? Nice. चल हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स को एक पंच दे दो पंच. ए बुझे. Looking nice, Naishu. Full colorful of four. एक बार stand down. Pose करो. Naishu, ऐसे pose करो. ऐसे हाथ लगाओ ऐसे. Smile. बर्थडे गर्ल से ज्यादा हमारा
ऐसे करो.
फुल चकास.
ए तू चकास. ऐसे कर.
See, Naishu is also fascinated with you.
I know. Naishu ऐसे करो.
Both are looking nice.
Thank you. And we know it. What? Naishu?
Look at-
Give me a 5.
Look at Sapan Naidu. Anyways, the plan now is to cut the cake. Finally, we are cutting the cake. All of us are planning to sit here in this big room. We actually took one big room, that is this one. This is like an executive suite. Oh, by the way, it is not suite, it is suite. English grammar school. I'm teaching English thoda sa
किसको?
to my subscribers. I mean, I'm not a pro in that, but whatever I learn a little bit from this English teacher, I try to give that gyan to my subscribers as well. So SUITE, you need to say sweet, not suit. See, you're also laughing when Sriman is talking in English. I know it is funny. Anyways, this is a big room we took so that we all can gather here. Other rooms are also big, except that this part is not there. This living area is not there. It's only this one, the other two rooms. We also actually booked the same room. Later, I requested the manager for a upgrade and he gave us this one. Thank you for that, Sheraton manager Asad ji. And oh yes, we're gonna plan the party here. You're also doing this. Party as in कुछ ज़्यादा party नहीं है, but cut a cake here, sit all of us, all the families, and just enjoy. So let me get ready. I'll see you guys. How's ready? Looking fine. All good. Ready for the birthday party. Do we compliment each other? Come here. Ignore the background.
Yeah, the background is like a washroom.
Let's click some selfies. Who is clicking it?
You.
That is the selfie.
Really, this one?
This lighting is so good. This is the first time looking fairer than you.
Good,
Otherwise,
that's
all the time she is too fair. She dominates me. Exposure setting इसके ऊपर जाता
It's not. What is there in being
And
fair?
because
Just
of
a color.
that you don't understand the exposure settings. It will calculate that you're too fair and it will make me dark so that everything stays in sync.
Okay,
I don't
whatever
know,
that
maybe.
meant.
I also don't know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, that which is why I didn't understand.
इनका दुबलापन देखो अभी भी अच्छी है ये तो.
You're also floral. Everyone is floral. Niceness floral. You're floral. He is floral.
What is floral?
I'm
Mommy
not
also
floral.
has some.
Pose Naishu, pose करो. अब
Wrong with you, beta.
Okay, Naisha's cake is here. We have to cut it fast so that she can smash it.
That back candle है. Candles का है?
He wants to smash it.
అప్పుడే ముట్టుకోవద్దు నువ్వు కట్ చేయాలి ఓకే
Cut చేయాలి, మామ.
కట్ చేయాలి క్యాండిల్ వెలిగించి.
What is
Aisha, what is this? And this?
Heart.
What is this? Ha. All baby. Aisha, say heart.
We got everything except lighter. We're actually waiting for the matchbox.
1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, baby. अरे
That's it. Now you're done too.
Good one से gave you.
जिसको छोटा देना उसको ज़्यादा दिया.
ज़्यादा दिया.
Actually, you know, I'm in a diet, right?
You're right.
Today nice.
She gave me a big piece, सबसे ज़्यादा.
It's all.
पापा खाते नहीं है ना मेरे पापा को खिला रही.
Cake is nice, but I have a lot of complaints for corn soup. They did not customize it properly.
That is true. That is, and I have a lot of things.
Pooja will give later
I
a lot of feedback. Today no diet, nothing. I think I'm gonna have cake. For nice show, one day no cheat. Sorry, no diet. What to do? आदत हो गया बोल बोल के.
भी बोल रहा है, कुछ भी बोल रहा है।
आदत हो गया बोल बोल के.
Very good, thank you.
Wait for the beat.
Yeah.
He's waiting for the beat.
Beat.
Wait till done.
यहाँ पे कूदेंगे।